Hey,
Morning, Judge.
left.
I was here on Monday with Nicholas Poole. He has bonded out. We're here to get the bond conditions done.
Come up, Mr. Poole.
And for the court's edification, I suggested on Monday that there was going to be more information to come to light, that this is not what it appeared to be. We have since found out that the case in Galveston and the assault bodily injury case are not, in fact, real cases. Coding.
So there is no new, there is no
Neither
case in
code, neither
Galveston.
case exists.
Okay.
And I anticipate that there will be more information that will come to light that will suggest that this is not what it appears to be. But for now, I just wanted to share that with you.
Regardless, he's got a lot of very serious charges, and it's well, I mean, established that he just doesn't abide by bond conditions. So I think that now we need more rigorous conditions to ensure that he's not using, he's not out in the middle of the night, and he's not a danger to anyone or himself. Mr. Poole, the only reason your bonds are not at $60,000 are because of Mr. Left. If I find that you start acting a fool, I'm going to 10 times the amount, not maybe 100 times the amount. If I find that you violate any of these conditions, even the most smallest condition. He's homeschooled now, right? He's doing online schooling. Okay, you're not to go out. I don't want you out. The only time that you're allowed to go out if there's a medical emergency or to meet with a lawyer. And I want proof before you go out to meet with your lawyer. Do you understand? If you go out, there's only one place you're going. You're not to be in possession of weapons. You're not to consume alcohol, not to consume illegal drugs. And I'm going to randomly test you. They're going to call you to come take a drug test. If you fail to come, if you fail to go take the drug test, into jail you go. I'm going to keep you extremely close to make sure that you're not violating any conditions. Do you guys want to, Dad, do you want to come up? Is that grandma? Is that grandma?
Yes.
Happy to have her.
She's a teacher. She's working.
Thank you for coming. I just want to ensure that there are no more issues. And I think that hopefully with him staying at home, there won't be any more issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting a monitor on his ankle to ensure that he's not consuming alcohol. He's going to have to get drug tested. So he's going to get called in to, and, you know, periodically we'll have to go to downtown to get tested. And then we'll just ensure that he's not using any kind of marijuana, any kind of illegal drugs. I'm going to test you 40 days from today. If you test positive for marijuana after 40 days, that tells me that you've continued to consume. And I don't care what it is, if it's an edible, if it's a gummy, CBD, you're to stop everything. If you test positive in 40 days for anything illegal, you know what's going to happen. Guys have any questions? I will pay for everything so that there's no issues about, you know, because typically this device that he's going to get costs around $400 a month, $500 a month. So I'll pay for it so that there's no issue. Just make sure that he's on the straight and narrow, and that's it. And then, you know, if you guys have any issues, just come back and talk to me. Okay. All right. Thanks.